Hello friends, we brought our Apocalypse car audio amplifier for repair. The malfunction is as follows. Instead of 12 volts, 24 volts were applied to it, which led to the malfunction. After which the sound amplifier stopped working. Let me turn on the amplifier now and show you how it behaves. We turn to the indication. 3 lights light up for a second and then the clip lamp lights up in yellow and the protect lamp flashes in red. Let's disassemble the amplifier and try to restore it. I found a damaged resistor. I'll show you where it is. Marking 100 is for 10 ohms. S3 and S4 are our diode assemblies. Do not confuse them with transistors. I show you how the transistor tester determines them. Well friends, I managed to repair it. Unfortunately, all microcircuits and transistors are installed with unknown markings. The manufacturer does this so that repairs are carried out only in their services because only they know what parts are installed there. Fortunately, all the main parts turned out to be in good condition. I only replaced 2 resistors. Instead of SMD resistors, I soldered the usual ones that were available. There is no difference in them. Only sizes and execution. Two resistors marked 100 burned out. This is for 10 ohms. Let's apply 12 volts to the audio amplifier and check how it works. Notice how the lights glow when they are working properly. We try to turn on the music and listen. As we heard, the subwoofer is working normally, which means that the repair was successful. Well friends, I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. For those who want to support the channel, there is a donation link under the video. Bye bye.